Fluffy Pancake Delights, Corona's top breakfast restaurants revealed. Hey everyone, Diana Renee here with Keller Williams Real Estate. Are you looking for the fluffiest pancakes in town? Look no further because I've got you covered. First up, Silver Dollar Restaurant, an incredible breakfast that will have you doing a happy dance. They've mastered the art of crafting pancakes that are as light as air and bursting with flavor. Their signature dish, the Golden Stack, is a stack of pure perfection. Whether you top it with butter, drizzle it with syrup, or sprinkle it with berries, every bite is incredible. Second is the Broken Yolk Restaurant, where pancake dreams come true. As you step inside, the delicious aroma of pancakes will set the stage for an amazing breakfast experience. Their pancake fantasy is a dream come true for pancake lovers. Picture this, a fluffy stack covered with a variety of toppings, from fresh fruits to whipped cream and everything in between. And last but not least, Cowboy Surfer Grill, pancake magic with a twist. Saddle up, pancake lovers, because Cowboy Surfer Grill is about to take your breakfast game to new levels. They infuse the classic pancake experience with a touch of Wild West charm and a splash of beachy vibes. Their Pancake Stampede is a mouth-watering feast that combines traditional pancakes with creative toppings and flavors. With caramelized bananas, pecans, and a drizzle of sweet maple syrup, these pancakes are truly incredible. These breakfast gems will satisfy your pancake cravings and leave you with a smile. So gather your fellow pancake enthusiasts, snap a selfie with your pancake masterpiece, and get your breakfast game on. Follow me for more amazing destinations in Corona.